Hi, welcome to PHP Application Deployment using an open-source Puppet demo. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the deployment of a PHP application using the open-source Puppet configuration management tool on 3 different operating systems: CentOS Red Hat-based, Ubuntu Debian-based, and Windows. The complete process is orchestrated through the Bamboo pipeline. The tool which is used in this PHP application deployment is Bitbucket, is used for source code management. Bamboo is used for continuous integration. JFrog Artifactory is used to manage the binaries. Open source Puppet is used for configuration management and continuous deployment. Let us explore the workflow of PHP application, stage by stage. In the first stage, Bamboo job will pull the PHP application source code from Bitbucket. A webhook is configured on Bitbucket so that the ongoing deployment job will trigger automatically when a commit happens particular branch. In the next stage, the PHP application code will be built, and the archived PHP framework package will be pushed to the JFrog Artifactory repository. In the final stage, Bamboo will execute an open-source Puppet module in all the servers which will perform the below tasks to target servers. Download and install PHP, pull the WAR file from JFrog Artifactory. Finally, the PHP application will deploy all 3 servers. Let us see the pipeline in action. First, let us check the PHP application web pages. This is a PHP application web page for CentOS server. This is a PHP application web page of the Ubuntu server, and this is a PHP application web page of the Windows server. So, all 3 servers' web page doesn't contain any content because the code deployment has not been triggered yet. Now, let us see how the continuous integration and continuous deployment of the PHP application happen via the Bamboo pipeline. Let us trigger the Bamboo pipeline for PHP application deployment. In the next stage, the Bamboo pipeline job is pulling the source code from Bitbucket. In the next stage, it will build the PHP source code using JFrog Artifactory as the latest archived PHP package. The Bamboo pipeline job will execute open source Puppet agent on 3 servers. The Bamboo pipeline job will execute an open-source Puppet module on all 3 servers. As the module is already added, run all the nodes. It installs PHP, pulls the WAR file in JFrog, and deploys the WAR package. Now the deployment has been completed. Let us refresh the web pages to see whether the PHP application is deployed and hosted on all the servers for the CentOS server. Here we can see the updated web page for the PHP application. And for the Ubuntu server, this is the updated web page for the PHP application. And finally, for the Windows server, this is the updated web page for the PHP application. Now the deployment has been completed. Let us see the continuous integration and continuous deployment in action for updating. As a developer, let me make a visible change in a source code via Bitbucket UI and see how the changes are deployed automatically in the servers. Here I am changing the heading in the application, which should be visible in the application after the automated deployment. Let's commit the changes. Let's see Bamboo. Here the pipeline job is triggered automatically via the webhook as the administrator using. The pipeline is getting completed. Let us refresh the web pages. For the CentOS server, here we can see the updated web page. And for the Ubuntu server, this is the updated web page. And finally, for the Windows server, this is the updated web page. Now the deployment has been completed. This is the complete workflow of PHP deployment using open-source Puppet through Bamboo pipeline. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.